Let's get for next matchup, and it is for the TIW Tag Team Championship. Your challenger, being led to the ring by Lucy Bowles, representing the Assembly of Sin, the team of Vachula, and the TIW Berkshire champion,
Assembly of Sin making their way to the ring. You can see in the hands of Vachula, he's got the mask that belongs to the Nightmare King, Zayden Lynn.
Zayden Lynn not clear to wrestle here this evening.
But he is here in spirit.
Or he could be here metaphysically.
I wouldn't put it past him.
And Samuel Bolt disposing of his jacket. Davy's mom may want to disinfect her hair. I guess if you needed a partner, Samuel Bolt is a better option than Zayden Lynn to some degree. Well, that's
champions, the team of Krueger and RadleyBelmont, the Stepdads.
And here's who the people came to see, the Stepdads. The Rad Dad, RadleyBelmont, Poppa Bear, Wade Krueger. Wade Krueger's out here to prove that size matters.
And with that being said, we have Samuel Bolt, who may argue, he may arguably be as large as Wade Krueger, but undead muscles, ligaments.
There's no science behind it, but it works.
Rigor mortis.
Samuel Bolt, the Berkshire champion, has been for some time, looking to become the champ here. That would be quite the accomplishment.
Vachula looking for his first title here in TIW. Those titles the Stepdad stole from the Dignified previously.
Stole is a weird way to say whooped out of.
No, if they had whooped them for the titles, I would have said that, but they were definitely stolen.
I was there.
So I
called that with you.
So you know that they were stolen.
I know that they were won in brutal fashion. A lot of good 45s died that day.
A lot of records were broken in that match.
I see what you did there.
We're going to have a lot of championships up here at our commentary table. And this match is underway. RadleyBelmont.
Yeah, they're the same height.
Yeah, they're the same height. Close enough.
That's right.
Go back to back.
If you're just gonna size it up.
Yeah, if you round up, the Rad Dad and Samuel Bolt are the same height. Got to round up pretty high.
Back to that cowbell curve. The gods of Dad Bod getting the crowd behind him here.
Tricks him with the test of strength, goes for one of those thick legs and just stomps him. shakes him off. Belmont with some shots in the midsection. Now some pops to the jaw. Or I guess step pops to the jaw. Clothesline in the corner.
I could do this forever.
Number 2.
And he's not doing anything. He's making Samuel Bolt mad.
He says he can do it forever. He's still going. Another splash. I guess forever meant 4 or 5. Maybe 6 now.
He's definitely winded.
Catches the leg. Oh, gets another one in. Forever never dies.
Well, Radley Belmont is dead. He lived.
He died as he lived.
A full life until 2020. Decapitated by a zombie.
You hate to see it.
Happens every day. Happens more often than the media reports.
Clubbing, glowing now. Samuel Bolt's kind of just carrying him around like he's nothing.
There's the tag.
It's a tag. Wade Krueger saving his partner. Now they're thinking about a little bit of double team. Bolt stumbles back to his corner, and Vachula comes in against the much larger Wade Krueger. Bounce him off the belly. 1, 2.
Like it's a weapon.
3 pumps. Slams him down.
Using that gas tank he calls a stomach.
More like a spare tire.
Nice short European. Snapmare out of the corner.
Taking this at his pace. Kick right across the chest. And splash. Double axe handle splash. Vachula gets the shoulder up. And suffice it to say, Vachula is not faring too well against the much larger Poppa Bear. Powers him up. Vachula slips out the back. Turns him around. He's going to try to lay in some right hands. Power of the punch, not there. Oh, but that right hand to the eye, that'll do it.
Imagine having your eyes raked, and when they clear, you get kicked in the face by Samuel Bolt.
Do I have to? Can I just watch it happen instead? Assisted senton, I guess you'd call it. Samuel Bolt just body slamming Vachula right on top of Wade Krueger. Crowd getting behind the Stepdads. Loving blow, just a monster of a man Samuel Bolt is. Emphasis on monster. Kick right to the ribs, and that's a brutal shot.
There aren't many men in TIW that can match Wade Krueger, but Samuel Bolt is among them.
Yeah, there's not too many men in the Northeast that can drag Wade Krueger across the ring back into their own corner. And Samuel Bolt does just that before tagging Vachula. And
Ian Griffin and Jamar Justice, that's probably about it.
Vachula's blinding. That right hand into the eyes.
Vachula's definitely a big change of pace from Samuel Bolt.
A lot faster, that's for sure. Same amount of power may not be there, but changing it up, making good quick tags. Wade Krueger's been taking the brunt of this offense so far. Big forearm smash. Knocks him into the corner, drapes his arms over the top rope. Big chop, overhand chop. Krueger's trying to walk through it. Forearms and chops of his own. Big headbutt. Stops the momentum dead in its tracks. Pun intended. Another quick tag. Great tag team work by the Assembly of Sin. Another assisted splash there.
Leg drop.
Leg drop.
Standing moonsault.
There it is. Lands, that could be it.
Nice teamwork.
Absolutely. Lucy Bolt up on the apron, distracting the referee. Looking for another assisted splash, but Wade Krueger rolls out of the way. Samuel Bolt, he's staring daggers at him.
Looks like he's baiting him in.
There it is, he pulls down that top rope. Out goes Samuel. Lucy's gonna check on him. Vachula jumps, gets caught. Pile driver. Center of the ring. Vachula could be out. Vachula could be joining the Legion of the Undead after that pile driver.
He already may be a member. I have no idea what's going on with this trio. With the trio of the Assembly of Sin. Wade Krueger looking to make the tag. Dodge makes it, but unfortunately, Samuel Bolt came in as well.
Bolt eats 2 drop kicks now, barely moves.
Running for that, look at that running knee.
Hits the high knee square in the chest. Sends Samuel Bolt to the outside. Rockabye suplex. RadleyBelmont's come in like a house of fire and somehow managed to clear the ring of the Assembly of Sin. Looks like it might be dad dive time. Hits the ropes. Right through, catches both of them. All 3 of these men down. Wade Krueger's down on the apron. RadleyBelmont shoots back up. Fast and furious pace now. Dragging the lifeless body of Samuel Bolt back to the ring.
Made him black with you here at ringside taking notes. Very vested interest in the winners of this match.
Taking notes, taking offense. Big headbutt off the top rope, but Vachula's right there. Breaks it up, only a 2. Wade Krueger's barely able to stand in the Stepdad's corner. Vachula's landing some forearms between the shoulder blades of the Rad Dad. Side headlock. Belmont shoots him off, catches him around the midsection. Reverse the top drop. Big clothesline from Poppa Bear. Great double team maneuver. Double high 5, but Samuel Bolt right there. Double clothesline. Crowd is booing. Benjamin Blackwell is yelling something into the ring. Bolt's got him about the throat.
Choke bomb. That could be it.
He should go for the cover here, but he's just...
It looks like they're looking to stick the fork in him. Or the final nail in the coffin was...
I gotta question that, but...
Rocket launcher.
Hits it!
That could be it. We could have new champions.
That absolutely could. Here it is. Wow. RadleyBelmont digged down deep just to find enough power to get that shoulder up. That might be the last gasp for the Stepdads.
Big double axe handle.
Poppa Bear is in there trying to direct traffic. RadleyBelmont rolls out to the apron.
It's like he's looking for that stunner into the German.
Calls a shot, but Samuel bolts up on the apron as well. Axe handle to break it. Double clothesline either side of the head of the undead monster. Undead.
The undead monster.
Fitting.
That's the sequel. That's
fitting mistake.
That's the horror parody of this.
Vachula's going to try to box his way through the Poppa Bear, but it's not going to work.
That 100% of the times.
He's up on their shoulders.
It looks like they're going to go for the Father's Day device. Lance Madewell beside himself. And Vachula turned inside out. Father's Day device in the middle of the ring.
That's got to be it.
Trying to get in.
1, 2, 3. That's it. The Stepdads keep their hardware.
And still TIW.
Seemingly to the chagrin of Made in Black on at ringside.
Les Madewell is livid. Lucy both grabbing the title. I don't know who's going to get it from her, not me. You should probably go take that from her.
You know what?
From her cold dead hands.
You know, maybe this is something for CJ Scott to handle, and she's going to give it back.
He is the commissioner, so that's his job. I like the way you think.
One of us has to.
I'm tired of it. Here, take the Berkshire Championship.
I'm going to pass on doing that too.
Yeah, as long as it's not near me, I'm okay with that because they're going to come for it, and I don't want to make eye contact.
You know what? Yeah, I'm going to try to hand it over, and no, and they're gone. You know what?
It's yours. Possession's 9 doesn't. You don't want it. You don't want that one.
Yeah, if you could just take that away from us, that'd be great. Perfect. Solved the problem.
Everything is coming up, Millhouse.
Now the Stepdads face to face with Made in Black.
I'm going to take your word for that as pie is in my way.
Someday.
Well, it's happening.
Keep dreaming. That's on chest.
Wade Krueger clowning on Benjamin Blackwell there.
Hey. Thank you. That's gross.
You guys are the stepfathers.
Rub some dirt on it.
The real fathers of TIW.
They're grounded.
At least I'm a real dad. Take it to the train.
Good for you.
We heard enough from Made in Black during intermission. Hopefully, they just head to the back and deal with those grimaces on their face in their own way.